Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. In this short video, I'll show you my 100 times back-tested result in a roll on different Forex currency pairs with the auto trendline indicator strategy for day trading on the 15 minutes time frame. The auto trendline indicator, based on fractals, is a tool that automatically draws out trend lines by connecting the most recent fractals. I've taught you how the auto trendline indicator can help to detect trade setups in the market. If you're new to this trading indicator, you can access the video through the link in the description of this video. I will implement this trading strategy to only trade the auto trendline indicator formation price breakout in the direction of trends based on the 4-hour time frame. To buy with the auto trendline indicator formation, I will watch out for a strong bullish trending market with a high volume on the 4-hour chart. Then proceed to the 15-minute time frame. If there's a strong bullish price breakout of the pattern formed by the auto trendline indicator, then I will initiate my buy setup. To sell with the auto trendline indicator formation, I will watch out for a strong bearish trending market with a high volume on the 4-hour chart. Then proceed to the 15-minute time frame. If there's a strong bearish price breakout of the pattern formed by the auto trendline indicator, then I will initiate my sell setup. It's time we proceed to my 100 times back-tested trades based on this trading strategy concept.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring the crown.
Here's my 100 times back-tested trading results in a roll based on this trading concept on the 15-minute time frame on different Forex currency pairs. I implemented the 1 to 1.5 ratio. That was on 100 trades for 5 days. I got 50 wins and 50 losses. Most wins in a row is 5. Most losses in a row is 5. Gain on the account is 25%. Here's a fair trading record. As you can see, the auto trendline indicator is a powerful trading indicator that can help beginners in the market to avoid the risk of wrong use of trend lines in technical analysis. Also, the auto trendline indicator is a useful technical indicator that professional traders can use to detect the early formation of wedges and symmetrical triangle chart patterns in the market. To have a better winning trading result with the auto trendline indicator, it's advisable to combine it with other technical setups in the market. Remember, this trading strategy works best in a trending market. Therefore, avoid using it to trade in a flat market. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.